Welcome to CCRI Career Services presents How to Write a Resume. The next two slides we will go over some basic resume writing tips and how to prepare for writing a resume. Then the following videos will teach you how to develop and format a resume from scratch. This slide we will review some basic resume writing tips. The resume can be 1 to 2 pages long. Remember, if you go onto a second page, make sure the information is relevant to the job you are applying to. Do not use the word I. Start statements with an action verb instead. Whichever format you choose to use, make sure you use it for the entire resume. A consistent format makes it easy for the employer to find information. Use present tense when describing current work positions and past tense for jobs you have held in the past. Only go back 10 years when listing out your work history. The only time you go past 10 years is if the jobs you held are relevant to the job you are applying to. Have somebody review your resume, checking for spelling and grammar before you submit to an employer. On this slide, we will go over how to prepare to write your resume. There are a few things to do before you start developing your resume. First, write out all of your past work history. This includes the employer's name, your job title, dates you were employed there, and your job responsibilities. Second, write out your education. This includes the school's name, your degree, date you graduated or will be graduating, and relevant courses. If you earned a GPA of 3.0 or higher, that can go on the resume as well. Also in this section, you can add in any internship or work-based learning experiences you completed. Third, look at the job posting you plan on applying to. Read through it and pick out skills and abilities that match what you have to offer and add them onto your resume. Finally, decide how you want your resume to look. Based on your job seeker profile, the job you are applying to, determine where the information will go. For example, decide where the education will go based on if it is relevant to the job you are applying to.
In the videos that follow this PowerPoint, you will learn how to create this resume section by section, with the end result looking like this.